Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of health and wellness with a focus on a superfood that's been gaining a lot of attention lately: beets. Did you know that beets are not just a colorful addition to your plate, but they're packed with essential nutrients? They're rich in fiber, folate, and vitamin C, but what really sets them apart is their high nitrate content. Studies from the Queen Mary University of London have shown that beet juice can significantly lower blood pressure, thanks to these nitrates. Isn't that amazing? Beets are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Research from the University of Exeter suggests that the nitrates in beets can enhance athletic performance by improving oxygen use and endurance. So, if you're looking to boost your workout, beets might just be your new best friend. Fun fact: beets have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Ancient Romans used them as a natural aphrodisiac, and in Eastern Europe, beet soup is a staple for its health benefits. Plus, they're incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can roast them, juice them, or even add them to your favorite salad. So, whether you're looking to improve your heart health, boost your athletic performance, or simply enjoy a delicious and nutritious meal, beets have got you covered. And remember, the key to reaping these benefits is to incorporate them into your diet regularly. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and vibrant.